Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Welcome to Super Simple Sunday. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by today. Thank you so much for giving me a portion of your day, and I promise not to disappoint. Today is Super Simple Sunday, and I have another wonderful Super Simple Sunday craft for you guys. It is pure elegance in the simplest form. Guys, it doesn't take much to make something simply elegant, and today we're going to use something that a whole bunch of you probably already have in your stash. So what we're going to be making today is in this envelope and this envelope as well. And we're going to be making the envelopes to go along with it. So I'll give you a closer look at what's in the envelope in just a second. But y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here is our little Super Simple Sunday craft. And it really is going to be simple. So I am going to open this and show you what we have. We have two of the easiest cards you'll ever make. So I'm going to open it and just show you how super simple they are in construction. Nothing fancy, but it will certainly get our message across to the person that we're giving it to. And why is it so super simple? Because we're going to make a card using two cut-aparts. That's what makes it simple. We already have the base of a card here. We already have the back. So why not just join the two and make something absolutely beautiful, but we're making it simple. So I am going to close this so that you can see the back side of my cards. Just as beautiful as the front, because there's the front. And we're going to make an envelope for our card as well. So here's what I'll be using. I'll be using some 4x4 cut-aparts. These cut-aparts are from the Welcome Autumn collection by Cartabella. The SKU, if you're looking for it, is 938-8804-610. And Cartabella's item number is C as in Charles, B as in boy, W as in white, A as in apple, 138012. And then for the envelope, I'm using a piece of that pumpkin plaid that you guys have seen me use several times. This piece measures 6 by 11. And then I have a 3.5 by 3.5 piece of white mat. So simple. So I am going to place my cut apart in my trimmer, and I'm going to trim away the bottom tag. And then it's just a simple matter of deciding which one of these do you want to be the front. Do I want You're the Pumpkin Spice to My Latte to be the front and Autumn is Calling to be the back? Or do I want Autumn is Calling and Feeling Thankful? I think what I want You're the Pumpkin Spice to My Latte. So I trimmed away the Feeling Thankful, and of course we won't throw that out because we can use it. And I am going to flip this over to my scoreboard, and we're going to score at 4. That's how easy that is. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and move it over here so that we can go ahead and score the envelope while we have it out. So we have a 6 by 11 inch piece, or you can go with 6 by 12. Totally up to you. But if you're using a 12 by 12 inch piece, you'll be able to get 2 envelopes from one sheet. So we're going to score at 7/8. Rotate it to the opposite 6-inch side and score at 7/8. Then we're going to rotate it to the 11-inch side, score at 4, and then score at 8 1/8. So all of our scoring for this project is done. We are simply going to take our tape runner, and I'm going to place down some tape. I'll take this piece, and I'm going to put it inside And now I have some writing space. If you wanted, you could actually trim that down just a little bit and use it on the inside. I'm not, because I'm going to play off of the You're the Pumpkin Spice to My Latte theme, because I have this sticker book from Simple Stories, and it has some stickers in it that I really think work for this one. This one says pumpkin spice and everything nice. So I am going to take that sticker and I'm going to put that sticker right there, just as my little dressy piece for the inside. Then here at the front, we have a little cup, and I'm going to take it and place it right there. And then I have a couple of hearts that I'm going to place right here at the top. And I think that is just simply sweet. So if you're looking for this sticker book, it is called Cozy Days by Simple Stories, and the SKU for this sticker book is 100466912. The Simple Stories item number is 13518. So now we have our card. That's all I'm doing to this. We took a cut apart and we made ourselves a sweet little card that we can give to someone. I'm going to bring in the envelope that we scored, and we're going to go ahead and fold and burnish the score marks. And so now that we have our score marks folded and burnished, we're basically going to make cut marks in this way and this way on all four sides. So I'll bring in my finger blade and I am going to cut in at an angle here, and I will cut there, cut in at an angle here, cut there, in at an angle here, and cut, and in at an angle here, and cut. And so now we have our super simple envelope. Fold in those sides, fold up, and you have an envelope. So I am going to take my tape runner. You can do this with glue if you like, and I am simply going to take my tape and run it along the edge here. Then I'll just fold this up, use my bone folder, big old spatula, whatever it is you have, to get that envelope flattened out. And now we have a completed envelope. We can take our card, place the card in the envelope, and put it in a package or a gift bag, or you can hand it off to someone with the gift card enclosed, because there is room for that. I'm going to take it back out because I want you guys to see how simply beautiful this is. So all of it ties together. You're the pumpkin spice to my latte. Open it up, pumpkin spice, everything nice. Nice little cup here, hearts here, flip it over, autumn is calling. That's how easy it is for us to make these super simple cut apart cards. So I am going to bring the other two back in so we can have all of this goodness out on the table, and you can see just how simply gorgeous these cards are. So I was able to make these three cards using one 12 by 12 page of cut aparts. I was able to make two envelopes using one sheet of 12 by 12 scrapbook paper, and I was able to make the third envelope by cutting down a piece of 8.5 by 11-inch scrapbook paper. So this is crazy economical crafting, and it is a perfect, super simple Sunday craft. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this project. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.